Hi, I'm Tom from topkayaker.net. I'm going to introduce you to some tools needed for installing rivets and strap eyes on your kayak. First thing you'll need is a drill. You can certainly use a power drill. A little hand drill like this is handy. It does the job effectively, and you don't have to worry about extension cords, etc. This is your most important tool. It's a hand rivet tool. This particular one is the Marson HP2 Click Fast. It's an excellent tool. It's very expensive. Expect to pay $30 to $40 for this. There's less expensive ones on the market too. The key things to look for is that the rivet waist ejects from the back, that you have adjustable tips here that you can remove and replace, and that you can disassemble the entire rig and pull out a rivet mandrel and clean it out from silicone. Another handy tool they have is a little hammer, a Sharpie marker, some good quality 100% silicone rubber adhesive sealant, and in the case of removing a strap eye, a small set of bolt cutters like this can cut right through a plastic strap eye and an aluminum rivet with lickety-split. Bolt cutters, just some basic small, maybe 16-inch bolt cutters, and they'll cut right through a bad strap eye and aluminum rivet. First you want to figure out where the strap eye is going to go, and mark it with a little Sharpie pen like this. I like to use a small hand drill like this one right here. It's quite effective for this kind of plastic material. You can use a power drill, of course, but this has no extension cords, no fuss, no muss. You'll need some silicone sealant. I like to stick the rivet right into the silicone tube, get a good glob on there, and coat the back of your rivet with just a thin little coating. Excuse me, your strap eye with just a thin little coating. And line it up. Use your rivet tool. And pump the rivet tool just enough to get it to where it wants to break off. And if it doesn't break off, rock the tool side to side. Should break off just like that. Paper towels are handy to have on hand. Just wipe up the extra silicone with the paper towel. If the rivet pops a little too high, just tap it down with a hammer. Not a big hammer, a little hammer, and voila, you're done.